Racquetball's fairways are what we're going to talk about right now, everybody. Aren't you excited? What do we need to know about Racquetball's fairways that TaylorMade wants us to know? Couple things. All Racquetball's fairways are stainless steel head composition. They're available in standard in a 3-wood, 3-wood HL, 5-wood, 7-wood, 9-wood, and there's tour lofts in 13, 14 and a half, and 18. Difference between the standard RBZ fairway and the tour is head size as well as desired ball flight. The tour head's going to launch a little bit lower and be more neutrally weighted. The traditional RBZ is going to launch a little bit higher, spin a little bit more, and be a little bit easier to draw. So it's going to also be more forgiving, obviously. The big technology, as we all know in racquetballs, or should all know because we all read everything that's on the TaylorMade website, right, is the slot technology in the bottom. What that slot does is it allows the face to act a little bit more like a trampoline in a much smaller head size. So in a 460 driver, the reason it's not necessary is because the face is big enough to act like a trampoline on its own. When we get into fairway woods and hybrids and have a much smaller face, it doesn't have as much surface area to compress and make the head give to perform like a trampoline. And that's very, very prevalent if you just think about the evolution of drivers as they got bigger. They progressively started going further. It's because of that trampoline effect. So the slot technology in the bottom of the RBZ fairway is the big game changer. What we found is that this makes the ball speeds go up as much as 4 to 6 miles an hour depending on the player. The 17 yards that TaylorMade talks about is on 150 mile an hour ball speed, which not many people have, but we're finding all swing speeds do pick up distance with the Racquetball's fairway. Things I want you to know about Racquetball's fairway. I find that they traditionally launch a little bit lower than the competition competitors clubs. So a 15-degree Racquetballs versus a 15-degree, say, Titleist, the Racquetballs might launch a little bit lower, but overall distance will probably still be higher because the way that TaylorMade designs that spin rate through the shaft and head to work. Always, always, always let the customer take it back into a fitting scenario, test it, and they'll be the ultimate judge. So slot technology in racquetballs is a big thing to talk to our customers about.